you planning a trip to Egypt and you want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. My name is Jeremy, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Egypt in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Links are in the description below. So let's go ahead and dive in. The eSIM provider that I recommend for Egypt is Airalo. If you're looking for a cheap and flexible plan, Airalo is a strong pick. For Egypt, you can get 1 gig for $7, valid for 7 days, 2 gig for $12.50, valid for 15 days, or 3 gig for $17.50, valid for 30 days. If you're planning a longer trip or you just need more data, there's 5 gig for $26.50, 10 gig for $44, and unlimited data for $35, all of which give you a 30-day valid time frame. It's super easy to get started after purchase. You're just going to receive a QR code instantly, and the app is simple to navigate, and you can top up your plan anytime. And if you use the link in the description below, you'll automatically get a 10% discount on your purchase. Now, if you've already tried Airalo and you didn't like it, or maybe just want to explore more options, then I highly recommend Maya Mobile. Their Egypt plans are valid for 10 days and include 3 gig for $13.49, 5 gig for $16.19, 10 gig for $26.09, and 20 gig for $44. Everything is 5G ready and activates instantly. Now, one thing I really appreciate is that Maya doesn't require an app. Just go to their site, choose your destination, and you're good to go. The website is super clean and easy to use, and the network quality in Egypt has been solid in my experience. And yes, they are offering a 10% off as well through the link in the description below. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. So when you click the link in the description below, it'll take you to the Maya homepage. From there, you're just going to type Egypt into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans. Just choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you'll see the 10% discount automatically applied on the screen. Now, once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. You're just going to scan it with your phone, and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. So, which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? If you want the best overall deal, especially for light usage or long stays, then Airalo takes the top spot. The plans are flexible and the app is user-friendly. But if you're going for short-term, high-speed use, Maya Mobile gives you the better value, especially with the bigger data bundles. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Egypt in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.